Welcome back, gamers. Today we're diving into the ultimate gaming debate. Choosing the right gaming console depends on your gaming preferences, budget, and specific requirements. Sony PlayStation 5, PS5. The PS5 offers a wide range of exclusive titles, excellent graphics, and fast loading times thanks to its SSD. Microsoft Xbox Series X. Xbox Series X is known for its impressive performance, backward compatibility, and Xbox Game Pass, a subscription service with a vast game library. Nintendo Switch. Ideal for family gaming and portable gaming on the go, offering a unique mix of traditional and portable gaming experiences. PC gaming. If you want the most powerful and customizable gaming experience, consider investing in a gaming PC. Google Stadia offers cloud gaming, allowing you to play games on various devices without the need for high-end hardware. Other alternatives. Keep an eye on emerging platforms and consider factors such as exclusive titles and online services when making your decision. Ultimately, the choice of a gaming console depends on your gaming preferences, the types of games you enjoy, and your budget. It's a good idea to research each console's library of games, features, and future plans to make an informed decision based on your specific needs. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gaming content in the future.